Hello everyone, myself Michael Ravina, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject is CS3492 Database Management System, and the topic is Advanced Topics on Database Management Systems. The topic is Database Security Issues. Database security issues. Database security is a broad area that addresses many issues, include the following. First one is various legal and ethical issues regarding to right to access the certain information. For example, some information may be deemed to be private and cannot be accessed legally by unauthorized organizations or persons. The next one is the threats to database can result in loss or degradation of some or all of the following commonly accepted security goals, that means integrity, availability and confidentiality. And then loss of integrity means database integrity refers to the requirement that information be protected from improper modification. The modification of data includes creation, insertion, updation and changing the status of data, deletion. Integrity is lost if unauthorized changes are made to be data by either intentional or accidental acts. If the loss of system or data integrity is not corrected, continued use of the contaminated system or corrupted data could result in inaccuracy or fraud or erroneous decisions. Loss of availability. Database availability refers to making objects available to a human user or a program to which they have a legitimate right. Next, loss of confidentiality. Loss of confidentiality means database confidentiality refers to the protection of data from unauthorized disclosure. The impact of the unauthorized disclosure of confidentiality information can range from violation of the Data Privacy Act to the national security. There are two types of security mechanism. The first one is a security mechanism means these are used to grant privileges to the users, including the capability to access specific data files, records or fields in a specific mode. Then second one is the mandatory security mechanism. That means these are used to enforce multi-level security by classifying the data and users into various security classes and then implementing the appropriate security policy of the organization. Then control measures. There are four main control measures are used to provide security of data in a database. First one is the access control, then second one is the inference control, then third one is the flow control, then fourth one is the data encryption. Then next one is the statistical databases. Statistical databases are used to provide the statistical information or summaries of values based on various criteria. Security statistical database must ensure the information about individuals cannot be accessed. It is sometimes possible to deduce or infer certain facts concerning individuals from queries that involve only summary statistics on groups. Consequently, this must not be permitted either. This problem is called statistical database security. Another security is the flow control, which prevents information from flowing in such a way that it reaches unauthorized users. A finite control measure is data encryption, which is used to protect sensitive data that is transmitted via some type of communication network. Database security and the DBA. The DBA privileged commands include commands or granting and revoking privileges to individual accounts, users or user groups. Perform the following type of actions. First one is account creation, second one is a privilege granting, then privilege revocation, then fourth one is a security level assignment. Account creation, this action creates a new account and password for a user or group of users. Then second one is the privilege granting. This action permits the DBA to grant privileges to certain accounts. Then privilege revocation means this action permits the DBA to revoke certain privileges that were previously given to the certain account. Next, security level assignment. This action consists of assigning user accounts to the appropriate security clearance level.